Hey there, I am coming to you from inside my RV today to show you this. This was sent to me for review, and it answers a small but very real, very annoying issue that any RV, motorhome, or travel trailer owner with a shower like this can relate to. As soon as you start to haul your home on wheels, what happens to this stuff? This RV storage shower holding bar is specifically made for showers. It swivels so that it fits corner shower shelves. It's really ingenious. I can't wait to install this. This is going to be one less detail headache that I have to remember every time we go somewhere in the RV. Let me show you what these look like uninstalled. They are stainless steel and anti-corrosion. They slide very easily. They are meant to expand somewhere between 7 inches at their smallest up to 13 inches. And here's the innovative part. These can pivot no matter the angle or the part of your RV, of your corner shelf that they sit on. These angle to fit the wall perfectly. Simple, but truly ingenious. It also comes with these super sticky stuff. You can see it's this very gummy waterproof adhesive that's going to stick to that RV shower wall and hold my bottles in place while we're bouncing along the road. So I got this pack of 2 for review.